Hey everybody, it's Your Name. Have you ever wondered what it takes to make an elevator move safely up and down? I'm talking thousands of pounds going hundreds of feet in the air, all while you stand there, casually checking your phone. We're going to break down the top 5 things you need to know about how elevators work, and why it's so important for engineers to get this stuff right. It's way more than just a box on a rope, that I can tell you. We're talking mechanics, safety, different types of elevators, energy efficiency, the whole 9 yards. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you something that most people don't know about elevators. Okay, let's break down the elevator basics. Most elevators use a system called traction. You've got this big electric motor up at the top of the building. We're talking serious horsepower here. This motor is connected to a pulley called a sheave, and this sheave is what the cables run through. On one end of these cables you've got your elevator car, and on the other end, you've got a counterweight. This counterweight is super important because it weighs about the same as the elevator car when it's half full. Alright, so safety is obviously huge when it comes to elevators. First off, you've got multiple cables, so even if one were to somehow fail, which is incredibly rare, the others can still hold the elevator. Then there are brakes, and these aren't your average car brakes. These brakes are called safety clamps, and they're designed to automatically activate if the elevator starts moving too fast. Plus, you've got door sensors, emergency phones, backup power systems, the whole shebang. So, you might not realize this, but there are actually a bunch of different types of elevators out there, each designed for specific buildings and purposes. The most common type you see is the traction elevator, which is what we've been talking about so far. But then you've got hydraulic elevators, which use a giant piston underneath the elevator car to push it up and down. And for really tall buildings, you've got what's called machine roomless or MRL elevators. These are super efficient because they don't need a dedicated machine room at the top of the building, which saves space and energy. Okay, so with all the talk about climate change and saving energy, elevator companies are stepping up their game too. They're designing elevators that are way more energy efficient than ever before. One way they're doing this is by using regenerative drives. When the elevator goes down, these drives convert that energy back into electricity. They're also using LED lights in the elevator cars, using lighter materials to reduce weight, and optimizing the elevator's movement patterns to use less energy. Last but not least, let's talk about maintenance and inspections. Regular maintenance is key to keeping elevators running smoothly and safely. Technicians come in and check all the cables, brakes, door mechanisms, everything. They make sure everything is lubricated, adjusted, and in tip-top shape. And then you've got inspections, which are usually required by law. Inspectors come in and do a thorough check of the entire elevator system, making sure it meets all the safety standards. So there you have it. The top 5 things you need to know about how elevators work. It's amazing to think about all the engineering and technology that goes into making these things safe and reliable, isn't it? From the powerful motors to the sophisticated safety systems, elevators are a testament to human ingenuity. Next time you hop in an elevator, take a moment to appreciate all the hard work that went into getting you up to your floor. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And hey, if you think this video would be perfect for some bite-sized knowledge bombs, let's get it uploaded to Opus Clips. See you in the next one.